In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom to present a PowerPoint, empowering you to deliver smooth and professional presentations no matter where you are. Whether you're a teacher, business professional, or student, knowing how to seamlessly integrate your PowerPoint slides into a Zoom meeting can make a substantial difference in the effectiveness of your presentation. Let's walk through this process together step by step. First, you'll need to start by launching your PowerPoint application and opening the presentation you plan to share. Take a moment to review your slides and ensure they are in the proper order and free of errors. Also, it's a good idea to consider any additional resources or notes you might need during the presentation, keeping them easily accessible. Next, open the Zoom desktop app on your computer. Make sure you've signed into your account and everything is up to date to avoid any unexpected glitches. Now, either create a new Zoom meeting or join an existing one. If you're setting up the meeting yourself, remember to invite your participants and check your settings to ensure they align with your presentation type, whether that's a group discussion or a simple lecture. As you enter your meeting, familiarize yourself with the Zoom interface. Focus particularly on the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find the green Share Screen button, which is your gateway to sharing your PowerPoint with your audience. Click this button and a window will pop up showing all the programs you have open. Now scan through the list and look for the PowerPoint window you've already prepared. Clicking on this will select it as the content you want to share. After selecting your PowerPoint, click on the Share button in the pop-up window. You've now successfully shared your presentation with your Zoom participants, and everyone in your meeting will be able to see your slides as you intend. With your presentation shared, it's time to start your slideshow. Doing this will display your slides in a full screen mode, providing a clearer view for your audience. Be mindful of your pacing as you navigate through the slides, and take time to address any questions or feedback from your participants to keep everyone engaged. If you need to highlight certain aspects of your presentation or make real-time changes, use the Annotate feature, which you can find as part of the Zoom toolbar. This handy tool lets you draw directly on your slides, making it easier to emphasize key points or interact with your audience. Finally, once you have completed your presentation and you're ready to wrap things up, head back to the bottom toolbar and click on Stop Share. This will cease the screen sharing session, allowing you to transition smoothly into any final discussions or answer any remaining questions your audience may have. By following these steps, you'll be able to use Zoom to present your PowerPoint confidently and effectively. Happy presenting!